welcome back. Hope you guys had a great weekend. I did. It was actually really nice. Just being supported by my friends and having a good time. Back here I was unboxing all the rest of these lights, putting them together with the jack chain, putting the 19 links on them on each side for the hanging purposes, which basically just looks like this. So chain on each side, and then I got to the emergencies as well, and we started hanging the emergencies. Let me show you over here. So started hanging the emergencies. There's actually one right here. You can see there's a giant emergency backup battery on the side of it. So if the power goes out, then it'll be on for like 3 hours or something like that. So started hanging those, working my way down the second row. So this row right here, working on hanging the emergency lights every other. And I was on the last one right here. I kind of started backwards on the other side, so I was coming this way. And then the coworker, Mick, he was working on hanging some emergencies as well and regular lights. So basically just completing all the ones that we have left to hang. As you can see, there's some missing right there, and that is due to this big pile of insulation right there. So anyways, working on those, unboxing, hanging them and wiring them, making up the junction boxes like last week. If you remember, the junction boxes above each light. And then I finished the other stuff upstairs, which I'll go show you real quick, and then I'll be heading out. So maybe it'll just be a short video for today. So here's Alright guys, I am not driving home right now, but I wanted to say it was a good day. It went by really quick. Started 30 minutes earlier today, so instead of going 7 to 3 o'clock, we did 6:30 to 2:30, and that seemed to really help. It just made everything seem like it went by a lot quicker, except for the fact that usually we take lunch at 11, and we started 30 minutes early, and we did take lunch 30 minutes earlier, but that's all right. Surprisingly, I wasn't even that hungry this morning. I did actually have breakfast today, which is pretty much the first time ever that I've eaten breakfast at my house before work. I had some shredded mini wheats, frosted mini wheats, and they claimed to say 1 bowl until lunch or whatever this new slogan is or whatever, and it seemed to work. So I'm pretty happy about that. So maybe that'll be a new thing for me, eating breakfast before work, but we'll see. Usually I just wake up and walk out the door like 5-10 minutes. So yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Sorry about that. No commentary there for a second. There were some guys working upstairs, and I didn't feel like talking while they're right next to me. So anyways, basically upstairs I finished the stuff from yesterday, just finishing that plug, sticking the wires in the box, making that up, and doing that 3/4 inch pipe out of the data box on the right side, strapping that up, the ceiling, and putting the mud rings on. And then the other little clip was low voltage sleeve going out the door, that'll be above the T-grid ceiling at 10 foot or whatnot. So I'm just doing a door sleeve, and they already pulled the wire through it, so leaving it like a 1/2 inch 5/8 out for the sheetrock, and then there'll still be a door frame or something like that. So that is why I left it out, and that's because that's what they asked me to do. So anyways, I think that's gonna do it, guys. If you enjoyed the video, I'd appreciate it if you like and subscribe. It'll help me out and help me grow the channel, and it'll let me know that you guys enjoyed the videos. And anyways, that'll do it, guys. Hope to see you guys back here tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day. God bless, and I will see you then. Don't forget to check out the description for everything you need. anything extra, and hit the notification bell to be notified when I do live streams or upload new videos. I'm thinking about live streaming today when I get home, but I'm not sure yet. I kind of just want to watch some TV or play Fortnite. So if you want to play Fortnite or anything, type your Xbox gamer tag or Epic ID in the comments below, and we can play. So anyways, hope to see you guys back here tomorrow. God bless. See you later. Peace.